guys, what's up? So today we're going to talk about search fees 5, 11, 12, and 13 of the 13.6. The first tweet is called Don't Swipe, prevents people from snooping around on your phone. This tweet is called Grabby, makes it easier to discern the time or battery level in full screen apps. This tweet is called Dope Combos, makes your messages app dope. This tweet is called Forward Notifier, and made with the people who work at desks in their minds. Basically, what this tweet does is it sends notifications to your desktop, so you want to keep checking your phone for notifications. So it's a test one, and that's the settings for it. This tweet is called Translucent Messages, and basically working hard to make sure that everything's perfect, everything's better. You can see the setups. So it gives you basically just translucent messages. Next tweet is called Flash Decrypt, command line tool for decrypting match oak binaries. Installing provides access to the Flash Decrypt command. Run help for the detailed information and CLI commands. This tweet is called Preference Loader, load preferences and style. This tweet is called Snapback, and basically what this tweak allows you to do, you kind of make a you just make like a backup, and then you can always, let's say you have any errors or problems with your tweets and you can't remove it from Cydia or whatever, you can use this tweak to go back to that state of what tweets you had. So it's kind of like a backup. So if I go to backup and have 5 tweets installed, and then if I install 4 more tweets, I can actually go back to that backup, and those 4 tweets I installed, give me errors or problems or that, whatever the case is, I won't have those 4 tweets. So I'll just basically create a backup with, it's kind of like a backup on your phone. But you make the backup, you install a tweak, and if you go back to the backup, that tweak you installed after you made the backup, everything you did after you made the backup jailbreak wise will not be there. Next tweet is called iPhone 11 Camera UI, and it was the iPhone 11 Camera UI with fixes for selfie video mode, patched by. This tweet is called Duration, and you can enable the rotation over all the applications, lock screen, home screen, system wide, and also manage more rotation features. Next tweet is called iPadify, and you can access some features that have exclusive to the iPad. Sideload iPad only apps, native picture-in-picture for Safari, TV, and other places. This is called Homebar Media Progress, and media progress displayed on your home bar. Next is called Saw, and cut down the space below the tab bar where the home gesture bar sits. Next is called Utility Widgets for the home screen widgets. This is called SM-Server, send text from your browser. This is called Lib SM-Server, and support tweak for the SM-Server app. This is called Owl, and so Twitter tweak. You have these features right here. This is called Visa. Visa brings quick controls right at your disposal. This is actually a theme called Vera Outline. That's what it looks like. This is called Lyric Size or Lyricify or Lyrification, and all those 3 tweets, lyrics, give you lyrics on your screen. This is called Haystack, and a card-based control center system for iOS devices. This is called Barclays, and high jailbreak detection. This is called Voice Message Fits, and basically it fits is the voice message. This is called Better Alarm, and features custom text for the alarm preview. So beautiful timer and alarm screen. This is called Lockwatch 2. Now, so the idea of having an Apple Watch on your lock screen. This is called Flame, and Flame provides various improvements to the user experience of the state to make it more enjoyable. So you get these features right here for it. And the last tweak is a new tweak that just came out today as I make this video, but it's actually a really cool tweak. It's called IC Bot, and it's Instacart bot will grab batches as quickly as they appear. So if you're a shopper on the Instacart app, this is a really useful app. So you can grab the the batches before anyone else does, and make money. So this is the source for that tweak. But you guys, thank you so much for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.